4BIS Service Management Online Training. Unlocking Efficiency with 4BIS Service Management, Revolutionizing Business Operations. Unlocking Efficiency with 4BIS Service Management, Revolutionizing Business Operations. In today's fast-paced business world, organizations are constantly looking for ways to optimize operations, improve customer experiences, and boost productivity. 4BIS Service Management offers a transformative solution to achieve these goals, leveraging cutting-edge tools and practices to streamline business processes and enhance operational efficiency. Here's how 4BIS Service Management is revolutionizing business operations. 1. Centralized Service Desk. 4BIS consolidates all service management functions into a single platform, providing a centralized service desk for managing internal and external requests. This eliminates the silos between different departments and offers a single point of contact for service requests, improving both employee and customer experiences. 2. Automation of routine tasks. By automating repetitive tasks and workflows, 4BIS frees up valuable resources that can focus on higher-value activities. Routine processes such as ticketing, approvals, notifications, and data entry are automated, reducing manual errors and improving turnaround times. This leads to faster resolutions and increased efficiency. 3. Enhanced collaboration across teams. 4BIS fosters seamless collaboration between different teams, whether internal or external, through integrated communication and task management tools. This eliminates bottlenecks and ensures that tasks are tracked in real time, providing better visibility into the status of service requests and projects. 4. Real-time monitoring and analytics. The platform offers robust analytics and reporting capabilities, enabling managers to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, in real time. By utilizing data-driven insights, organizations can make informed decisions to continuously improve service delivery, resource allocation, and overall performance. 5. Improved customer experience. 4BIS enhances customer service through quick ticket resolution, proactive problem management, and self-service portals that allow customers to find answers to their questions. With features like personalized dashboards and status tracking, clients can enjoy a more transparent and satisfying experience, leading to higher satisfaction and retention. 6. Scalable and flexible solutions. As organizations grow, 4BIS grows with them. The platform is highly scalable, making it easy for businesses to expand their service management capabilities without disruption. Its flexible configuration options allow it to adapt to the unique needs of various industries, from IT and HR to customer support and facilities management. 7. Cost efficiency. By streamlining service management, reducing downtime, and automating tasks, 4BIS enables organizations to cut operational costs. Moreover, the predictive capabilities of the platform help in resource planning and forecasting, ensuring that budgets are allocated effectively. 8. Compliance and security. 4BIS ensures that businesses comply with industry standards and regulations, offering robust security features to protect sensitive data. This is critical for organizations operating in sectors such as healthcare, finance, and government, where data security and regulatory compliance are paramount. Streamlining workflows with 4BIS Service Management, Best Practices for Success. Streamlining workflows with 4BIS Service Management involves implementing best practices that focus on automation, collaboration, and efficiency. Here are some key strategies to ensure success. 1. Define clear workflow objectives. Identify key processes. Start by mapping out the core business processes that need to be automated or streamlined. Identify pain points such as delays, bottlenecks, or inefficiencies. Set clear goals. Ensure each workflow has measurable outcomes, such as faster response times, reduced manual interventions, and improved customer satisfaction. 2. Implement workflow automation. Automate routine tasks. Use 4BIS automation features to eliminate repetitive tasks. Automating approvals, notifications, and reporting can significantly speed up workflows and reduce errors. Use pre-built templates. Take advantage of pre-built templates within 4BIS to automate common service processes, example, IT service requests, HR onboarding, without having to start from scratch. 3. Centralize communication and collaboration. Integrate communication tools. Streamline communication by integrating email, chat, and collaboration tools into the workflow. This ensures seamless communication between teams, reducing delays and confusion. Collaborative task management. Use 4BIS collaborative features to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress in real time, ensuring that every team member is aligned. 4. Optimize for flexibility and scalability. Adaptable workflows. Ensure workflows are flexible to accommodate different types of service requests. This flexibility allows teams to adjust to changing needs without overhauling the entire process. Scalable solutions. As your business grows, 4BIS should allow you to scale your workflows without introducing unnecessary complexity. Leverage its ability to handle increased workload and data volume. 5. Integrate with other systems. Connect with existing tools. Integrate 4BIS Service Management with other critical systems such as CRM, ERP, and HR systems to ensure data flows seamlessly between departments. Data syncing. Keep data consistent across platforms by syncing information between 4BIS and other tools used by your organization. This ensures accurate data for decision-making and reporting. 6. Ensure continuous improvement. Monitor workflow performance. Regularly monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as task completion time, response time, and customer satisfaction. Use this data to identify areas for improvement. How 4BIS Service Management enhances customer satisfaction through seamless service delivery. 4BIS Service Management enhances customer satisfaction by focusing on seamless service delivery through a range of features and strategies that streamline operations, improve responsiveness, and ensure consistent quality. Here's how it achieves this. Centralized service management. By consolidating service management processes into a single platform, 4BIS ensures that all service-related requests, incidents, and tasks are tracked and managed efficiently. This centralization makes it easier to monitor service performance, providing a better experience for customers as they receive quick and accurate responses. Automation of routine tasks. 4Biz incorporates automation tools that reduce the need for manual intervention in repetitive processes such as ticketing, problem resolution, and customer communication. This not only accelerates service delivery but also minimizes human error, leading to more consistent and reliable customer experiences. Self-service portal. The self-service portal enables customers to resolve common issues, track the status of their requests, and access knowledge bases for solutions. This empowerment of customers enhances their satisfaction by giving them control over their service experience, allowing for quick resolutions without waiting for service agents. Real-time monitoring and reporting. By providing real-time visibility into service performance, 4Biz helps organizations quickly detect and address any service disruptions or delays. This proactive approach ensures that customers are kept informed of service status and any issues that may arise, improving their confidence in the service provider. Collaboration and communication tools. Seamless communication between service agents and customers is facilitated through integrated collaboration tools. These tools enable agents to quickly reach out to customers for updates or clarifications and collaborate internally to resolve issues faster, enhancing the overall service experience. Personalized service delivery. By leveraging customer data and service history, 4Biz allows businesses to deliver more personalized and relevant services. This customization makes customers feel valued and understood, contributing to higher levels of satisfaction. SLAs and performance metrics. 4Biz incorporates service-level agreements, SLAs, and performance metrics that ensure timely service delivery. By monitoring these metrics, organizations can ensure that they meet or exceed customer expectations, ensuring that promises made to customers are kept. Continuous improvement. With feedback loops built into the service management process, 4Biz allows organizations to gather customer feedback and use it to continuously improve service offerings. This iterative process of service improvement ensures that customer satisfaction keeps rising over time. Transforming IT support with 4Biz Service Management, a new era of automation. Transforming IT support with 4Biz Service Management, a new era of automation. The world of IT support is rapidly evolving, driven by the need for greater efficiency, speed, and user satisfaction. 4Biz Service Management is at the forefront of this transformation, offering cutting-edge solutions that leverage automation to streamline IT service processes. With its advanced capabilities, 4Biz enables organizations to not only optimize their IT support but also drive significant improvements in productivity and overall service delivery. Here's how 4Biz Service Management is transforming IT support through automation. 1. Automated Incident Management. 4Biz Service Management automates the incident response process, ensuring that support teams can quickly address and resolve issues with minimal manual intervention. When an incident is detected, the system automatically categorizes, prioritizes, and routes the issue to the appropriate support staff, significantly reducing response time and enhancing efficiency. 2. Self-service and chatbots. Through intelligent self-service portals and AI-powered chatbots, 4Biz empowers end users to find solutions to common IT problems on their own. This not only reduces the burden on IT support staff but also improves user satisfaction by providing immediate solutions. The system is constantly learning from interactions, becoming smarter over time. 3. Automated ticketing and workflow management. With automated ticketing systems, Phobos ensures that each support request is properly tracked and prioritized. Workflow automation ensures that tasks are completed in a timely manner, with automatic escalations in place when necessary. This minimizes delays, reduces human error, and ensures that IT issues are resolved within SLA targets. 4. Predictive analytics and proactive support. Leveraging data and machine learning algorithms, Phobos Service Management provides predictive analytics that can foresee potential issues before they become critical. By analyzing historical data, the system can identify patterns and trends, enabling IT teams to take proactive measures to prevent downtime and service disruptions. 5. Continuous improvement through automation. The automation capabilities of Phobos extend beyond incident resolution. It can automate recurring tasks such as software updates, system monitoring, and patch management. This allows IT teams to focus on strategic tasks while maintaining the health and security of their IT infrastructure. 6. Integration with IT ecosystem. Phobos Service Management integrates seamlessly with other IT systems, allowing for a more cohesive IT ecosystem. It connects with tools for asset management, performance monitoring, and security management, creating a unified approach to IT support that is both efficient and effective. The power of integration, connecting your systems with Phobos Service Management. The power of integration with Phobos Service Management lies in its ability to seamlessly connect various systems and enhance overall business operations. Here's how integrating your systems with Phobos can benefit your organization. Streamline workflows. By integrating different business systems, such as ERP, CRM, ITSM, and others, Phobos Service Management enables a smooth flow of information across departments. This reduces manual data entry and minimizes errors, leading to more efficient and accurate operations. Improved decision-making. Integration ensures that data from various systems is centralized, making it easier for management to access real-time information for better decision-making. This leads to faster response times and improved operational agility. Automation and efficiency. Integrated systems can automate tasks that would otherwise require human intervention. This includes automated ticketing, incident resolution, asset management, and more, saving time and reducing the risk of human error. Enhanced customer experience. Integration helps provide a unified view of customer interactions across all touchpoints. Support teams can access customer history, preferences, and previous service requests quickly, ensuring a more personalized and responsive customer service experience. Cost savings. By reducing the need for manual intervention and optimizing resource allocation, integration can significantly lower operational costs. It can also help in consolidating systems, reducing redundant tools and platforms. Scalability. Phobos Service Management's integration capabilities allow for easier scaling of business operations as your organization grows. New systems and technologies can be integrated without disrupting existing operations, enabling seamless expansion. Compliance and reporting integration ensures that data is consistent across systems, making it easier to adhere to compliance regulations and generate accurate reports. Automated reporting reduces the time spent on compliance tasks and ensures that reports are always up to date. Maximizing business agility using 4BIS service management in dynamic environments. Maximizing business agility in dynamic environments requires effective service management that enables quick adaptation, efficient decision-making, and streamlined processes. 4BIS service management can play a pivotal role in this by offering a suite of tools that enhance operational flexibility, support innovation, and drive continuous improvement. Here's how organizations can leverage 4BIS service management for maximizing business agility. 1. Automating processes for speed and efficiency. Automation of repetitive tasks. By automating routine service management tasks such as incident management, request fulfillment, and change approvals, organizations can reduce response times and ensure consistent service delivery. Dynamic workflow management. 4BIS enables dynamic workflows that adapt based on real-time data. This means that as the business environment changes, workflows can be reconfigured swiftly to address new priorities, leading to faster turnaround times and improved responsiveness. 2. Enhancing collaboration and communication. Centralized collaboration platform. 4BIS integrates cross-functional teams by providing a centralized platform for communication. Service teams can work more closely with development, IT, and business units, fostering a culture of collaboration and rapid problem-solving. Real-time collaboration tools. With real-time messaging, notifications, and task management features, teams can quickly pivot and adapt to emerging issues, ensuring alignment and faster decision-making across departments. 3. Agile change management. Agile service delivery. 4BIS supports agile methodologies in service delivery by incorporating flexible change management processes. This allows businesses to implement changes rapidly without compromising service quality or operational efficiency. Controlled experimentation. Through controlled testing and feedback loops, businesses can continuously experiment with new processes and services, refining them based on real-time data and user feedback, which supports an agile culture. 4. Data-driven decision-making. Real-time analytics. 4BIS service management offers powerful analytics and reporting tools that provide real-time insights into service performance, customer satisfaction, and operational bottlenecks. These insights allow organizations to make data-driven decisions and quickly shift priorities in response to market demands. Predictive analytics. Using historical data, 4BIS can forecast potential service disruptions or failures, enabling businesses to proactively mitigate risks and avoid costly downtime, ensuring uninterrupted business agility. 5. Seamless integration with existing ecosystems. Cross-system integration. 4BIS can integrate with various business tools, example CRM, ERP, and HR systems, providing a unified view of the entire service management life cycle. This integration helps organizations quickly adapt their service strategies to evolving business needs without disrupting existing workflows. Scalability. Whether scaling up or down based on market conditions, 4BIS can handle varying service demands efficiently. This scalability ensures businesses can maintain flexibility without compromising service quality. 6. Continuous improvement through feedback loops. Customer-centric approach with built-in customer feedback mechanisms. 4BIS helps businesses understand customer needs and expectations, allowing them to continuously improve service offerings and stay competitive. Agile retrospectives, the ability to regularly review and refine service delivery through retrospectives fosters a culture of continuous improvement, enabling businesses to adapt rapidly to changing environments. 4BIS Service Management for real-time analytics, making data-driven decisions simpler. 4BIS Service Management for real-time analytics, making data-driven decisions simpler. 4BIS Service Management is designed to simplify the process of making data-driven decisions by integrating real-time analytics into service management workflows. This can help businesses streamline operations, improve service delivery, and ensure they are making informed decisions based on up-to-date data. Here's how 4BIS Service Management enhances real-time decision-making. 1. Real-time data integration. Continuous data streams. 4BIS Service Management integrates real-time data from multiple sources, such as service requests, incidents, or performance metrics, into a single platform. This allows for quick access to relevant information at any moment, helping decision-makers respond to issues swiftly. Dynamic dashboards. The platform features dashboards that update in real time, providing visual insights into the current status of various service management processes like ticket volume, system performance, and SLA compliance. 2. Predictive analytics. Trend analysis. By leveraging historical data, 4BIS can identify patterns and predict potential issues or service disruptions. For example, if a particular issue is likely to cause downtime in the future, the system can alert administrators to take preventative action. Forecasting service demand. The platform can also forecast upcoming demand for resources or support, allowing teams to better allocate resources and manage workloads. 3. Automated decision-making. AI-driven insights. Artificial intelligence can analyze real-time data and suggest corrective actions, making it easier to manage service requests or incidents without constant human intervention. Smart routing and prioritization. By analyzing the urgency and severity of issues in real time, the system can automatically route service requests to the appropriate team or prioritize issues that need immediate attention. 4. Actionable reports. Instant access to KPIs. Real-time reporting in 4BIS provides immediate access to key performance indicators, KPIs, service metrics, and operational reports, empowering decision-makers to take action based on the latest insights. Data drill-down capabilities. The platform allows for drill-down capabilities, meaning that users can explore detailed data points, such as individual incident histories or system performance, enabling a more thorough understanding of issues. 5. Improved service delivery. Faster response times. By using real-time analytics, service teams can identify bottlenecks or recurring issues that could delay resolution and take proactive steps to mitigate them. Enhanced customer satisfaction. With data-driven decisions, businesses can optimize their service delivery, ensuring that service requests are handled promptly and SLAs are consistently met. 6. Collaborative decision-making. Cross-team collaboration. Real-time data fosters collaboration among different service teams, such as IT support, HR, or customer service, who can all work off the same information and make faster, more coordinated decisions. Interactive analytics tools. Teams can collaborate in real time, making adjustments to strategies or priorities as new data becomes available. Why choose ProExcellency for 4BIS Service Management online training? Choosing ProExcellency for 4BIS Service Management online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically offers instructors with real-world experience and in-depth knowledge of 4BIS service management, ensuring that participants receive quality guidance and insights. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training program lightly covers all essential aspects of 4BIS service management, including service life cycle management, process automation, and service optimization, tailored to meet the needs of different learners. Flexible learning. With online training, ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of timing, allowing students to learn at their own pace without disrupting their professional schedules. Interactive learning. ProExcellency's online courses may include practical exercises, real-world case studies, and interactive learning modules to enhance engagement and knowledge retention. Post-training support. They often provide ongoing support to help students with doubts or questions after the course, making it easier for participants to implement what they've learned in real-world scenarios. Accredited certification. ProExcellency is likely to offer certification upon completion, which can be beneficial for career advancement or organizational recognition. Affordable and value-driven. Compared to other providers, ProExcellency may offer competitive pricing without compromising the quality of the training, providing a good value for the learners. Customer testimonials and success stories. Past student reviews or success stories can offer insights into the effectiveness of the training, showcasing the real-world impact it can have on career progression. Thank you.